Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That Challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The latest, don't wait in no line for no kick. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe it go room.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Brando in the camo. Back again with another banger for y'all today, man. As you see in the title, before anything, bro, make sure you like, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. You gotta subscribe. We want to work with 5K, 10K. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Like this video and drop a comment, man. As you see in the title, we're going to Vintage Con, man. See what they got out there, man. You know, I'm trying to get more of y'all, like, I'm trying to get more vlogs, you know. Drop more vlogs instead of, you know, car content, stuff like that. So we're going to go check out this Vintage Con. It's outside. It's hot as hell. It is 91 degrees, bro. So it's hot as so I'm trying to get out more, you know, more vlog, more, you know, personal footage. So I'm going to go out here and see what's out here, man. See if I'm a cop. You know, I got a little vintage, a little hot boy shirt on. No, nothing, man. Nothing major, so you know what I'm saying. While y'all watching the video, man, go ahead and like the video, go ahead and subscribe, man. Drop a comment, tell me what you think. I'm about to go ahead and head out. Let's see what's out here. All right, bro, I just got out here. You see I got a shirt, man. It is hot, bro. Like, it is hot. As you see the background, it is dumb hot. So I'm gonna show you what they got. You know what I'm saying? They got some nice stuff. You know, for me to be shopping vintage, I'm kind of new at this, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's around. I'm gonna get a couple B-rolls because they got music playing in the background, so you know we can't get monetized. So we about to tap in, yes sir. My boy Alex. My boy Alex and my boy right here, Celtics. Yes, sir. To the camera, Alex. What you gotta say to the camera, bro?
So what?
What you gotta say, bro, to my people, bro? Like, don't be.
Oh shit, hey, follow your boy that's on the wrist.
No, you got the wrong one.
You got the wrong one? Oh, he not the real nigga. You say he froze up a little bit, man. You gotta
follow your boy that's on
okay.
Nah, follow my shorty too, man.
Oh yeah. We about to go over there in a minute. We were definitely gonna check her
I
out.
only got like 5 followers. I need like 5 more.
We're gonna get you right. 500 more. We're gonna get you to 500 more.
Oh yeah, cash out. Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That Challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The latest, don't wait in no line for no kick. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe it go room, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe.
That's right there hard. Yes, sir. Bro, it is hot as out here.
Wow. Okay. I'm not gonna judge your journey.
They got some good vintage stuff, but I ain't no vintage stuff with this pricey. But I'm gonna try to find something for y'all and share what I have when I get done. Yes, sir.
How much did it catch? So how much?
I think. What you?
Oh yeah, Selena shirt hard too.
I'm trying to feel my brain.
Oh, that's tough. That's hard. Bro, y'all see how hot it is, bro. It is hot, bro. On God, look at this. I'm not playing, bro. It is hot. Like, very, very hot. I'm happy I'm in the car. I got the AC on full blast. It's hot out here. I got a couple pieces, so when I get back to the crib, I'm gonna show you what y'all got. But make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment, tell me how y'all feel about the fit. I'm about to hit this pull up in my neighborhood, so I'm gonna turn it back on, man, once I get to my next destination. It's too hot. I don't want to think, but out. All right, so this is the first piece I had got, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Dolphins, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Young Dolph, recipe to Young Dolph, one of the greatest. It's Dolph. Look at him, he's smiling. But I grabbed this. I think this shirt was like $10, $15. So I grabbed this. I feel like it'd be dope, you know what I'm saying? Something different, you know. Got the Dolphins out. Shout out to Young Dolph, you know what I'm saying? Recipe to Young Dolph, one of the greatest. You see they're going in the circle, you feel me? So, yeah, that's what I got. One of them pieces. Here go the second piece. Shout out to my boy Alex. Throw me the oop on this. I actually like this, you know what I'm saying? Got the Lamb on the Speedway. Look how nice it looked, though. It don't look beat down like the other vintage tees. You know what I'm saying? If it was a Dodge car, it'd be a little bit better. But we definitely gonna, you know, support that. Yeah, definitely a nice tee, you know what I'm saying? I paid $30, $35. I'm not sure, but yeah. So I grabbed these two pieces. I grabbed a bunch of other pieces, but they washing right now, so I'm not gonna be able to, you know, show y'all. But get a little idea of what I got, man. So I definitely like the vintage. I'm gonna go ahead and start like going to vintage spots. Cause I be hearing like a lot of low key spots in the city be having some good stuff. Because you gotta dig through it and you go find some greatness, you know. And I ain't know vintage t-shirts be costing a lot. Like it was like a WWE t-shirt. That joint like $700. Like they were taxing. I ain't know that either. So I learned that today. You know, vintage tees cost same or as much more as, you know what I'm saying, shirts now these days. My bad about that. Got sidetracked. But yeah, this right here, I actually like this shirt, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking like, what y'all thinking, the Hoochie Daddy shorts, you know what I'm saying, with a nice fitted, you know what I'm saying, some heat on your feet. I actually like this. Y'all let me know what y'all think, though. I definitely got to come together with this, though. I'm actually starting to like these. If you got any racing shirts in a size large, hit my line. DM me on Instagram. And let me go ahead and cop them, 'cause I'm going to start collecting these joints. I need a Jeff Gordon, a Jimmy Johnson. Yeah, I know a little something, man. But shout out to Alex for that Soul Original. I had him on the video earlier. Soul Original, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. Y'all go ahead and shout with him for all the vintage tees. And I forgot bruh name with the Dolphins. It's Dolph. Shout out to shout out to Young Dolph, you know what I'm saying, for making some fire music. Rest in peace to the greatest. And I forgot bruh name, but yeah. So shout out to him, man. You know what I'm saying? Definitely came through. Thank y'all for watching. That's what I got. I want to show you the rest. I'm gonna have to show you the rest of the stuff later when it got the washer, but yeah. So you know it's right. I'm on Little Fives, hungry as hell. So if you know, you know. On my grub real quick. Boy, hungry than the mud, right? Oh God. You know what I'm saying? I got a little bacon, a little mac and cheese burger, you feel me?
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
What you got over there?
I got a motherfucking spicy bypass, motherfucking egg and shit, a little bacon.
Okay, what's
some onion rings on the bit.
All right, y'all. We just got done eating. Gotta take the little dog out, you feel me? Go and say hey, Ace. He got that new cut, got the mohawk. Show him the mohawk.
Bitch, I'm a dog. Bitch, I'm a dog. I want the cat. I want me out.
You want to show him the mohawk? All right, say no more. Yeah, so we just got done eating. You know what I'm saying? My boy got the fresh cut. So I really want to go swimming. So me and the gang about to hit up the pool. Once we hit up the pool, this is like a little weekend vlog. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all something to see. You know what I'm saying? Something else. Get over here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Sorry about that. And, you know, I'm gonna give y'all something, you know, other than car content, man. Get a little weekend vlog, man. Show y'all what I got from the vintage spot, man. Shout out to my boy Alex. You know what I'm saying? Definitely show love. So I'm about to go hit the pool. I'm about to go change. I'm a little boy right here. I had to use the bathroom. So hit y'all when I get back to the pool. Yes, sir. What's going on, y'all, man? I'm back, man. I'm at the pool. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get inside the pool. It's like 90 degrees outside today, so it's ultimately hot. Like, it's hot as hell. hot as shit. So I'm about to hop in the pool, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the video. Drop a comment. Tell me what y'all think of the wardrobe. So yeah, I'm about to definitely hop in the pool. You know what I'm saying? Get right. So I'm out.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it, them trenches.